Want to catch 'em all from the comfort of your computer? Let's get Pokemon Go running on Bluestacks. First, head over to the official Bluestacks website and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Bluestacks on your PC. This might take a few minutes. After Bluestacks is installed, launch it and sign into the Google Play Store using your Google account. This is essential to access and download apps. Now, search for Pokemon Go in the Google Play Store. You should find the official app by Niantic. Click the install button and wait for Pokemon Go to download and install within Bluestacks. Once the installation is finished, launch Pokemon Go from the Bluestacks home screen. The game will start like it would on your phone. Pokemon Go needs location access to work, but Bluestacks doesn't have a GPS. You need to download a GPS emulator to fake your location. Now you can use a GPS spoofing app within Bluestacks to set your location and start playing Pokemon Go with your mouse and keyboard. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore the world of Pokemon Go from your computer using Bluestacks. Happy catching!